Hey guys, welcome to Adventures of Carlienne. I'm Adrienne, and thanks for joining us on this cooking series where we get to share all of our love in the kitchen. This month we are challenging ourselves to cook a different kind of egg every day. So let's get started.
Recording.
Today we're making eggs in a waffle iron. Now I like to make a good number of these to store just for breakfast on the go. It's a great option for those busy people out there. So let's make them.